In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable SafeSearch Family Filter in Google Chrome so you can help keep search results more family-friendly and reduce explicit content. This is a quick but very useful setting if you're setting up a safer browsing experience for yourself, your kids, or a shared device. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to google.com. Once the page loads, look down to the bottom right corner of the screen and click Settings. This opens the Google Search Preferences menu. From there, select Search Settings. This is where Google lets you control how search behaves, including content filters and safe search options. Now, on the Search Settings page, look for the Safe Search section. You should see the Safe Search feature listed clearly in the Settings menu. Click on Safe Search and then choose the Filter option. Selecting Filter helps block explicit images, text, and links from showing up in Google search results. This is especially helpful if you want a cleaner, safer search experience across everyday browsing. After choosing the Filter option, make sure the setting is saved or applied if Google prompts you to confirm it. In some cases, your browser may remember the setting automatically, but it's always a good idea to double-check that Safe Search is turned on and filtering content the way you want. If you're doing this for a child or family member, you may also want to sign into the Google account that will be using the browser, so the preference stays associated with that account. That way, the Safe Search setting is more likely to remain active across sessions and devices. Once you've done that, you're all set. Your Google Chrome search experience is now configured with the Family Filter enabled through SafeSearch. It only takes a minute, but it can make a big difference in keeping your browsing safer and more appropriate for everyday use. If this video helped you, please tap like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.